Okay, so today we are working on line plots. So line plots use X's to show how many vote for something or choose something. So in our example, we're voting for our favorite board game. There's Life, Monopoly, Scrabble, or Clue. Okay, so if you look at it, only 2 kids voted for Clue. 4 kids voted for Scrabble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 kids voted for Monopoly, and 7 voted for the game of Life. Okay, so down here, number 1, it says Bertram made this line plot to show the numbers of brothers and sisters his classmates have. Okay. So 3 kids, oops, there we go, 3 kids have no brothers and sisters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids have 1 sibling. 6 kids have 2 siblings. So it says how many children have 3 brothers and sisters? So here's 3 brothers and sisters. You tell me how many children are there. What is the most number of brothers and sisters for any child? I'm going to give you a little hint. How many more children have 2 brothers and sisters than 4? So here's 2 and here's 4. If we draw a line across, we want to know how many more have 2. Okay, so hopefully that helps you out. Okay, this one here I've put in our OneNote notebook, and I've given you some answers or some data to put in. Okay, so on yours I've written beach, mountains, and theme park. Okay, so you're going to put in, so I'm going to say if there were 5 that like the beach, I'm going to put 5 X's in there. 5. If 3 like the mountains, I'm going to put 3 X's in there. And 8 like the theme park, so I'm going to put 8 in there. Okay, easy as that. Okay, then we have Roberto. It says he made this line plot to show the number of teeth his classmates have lost. Okay, so here's the number of teeth. So one kid has lost 2 teeth. Some kids have lost 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 kids have lost 8 teeth. Okay, so it says what is the most number of teeth that someone has lost? The least number of teeth someone has lost. Again, how many more children lost 6 teeth than 4 teeth? So here's 4 and here's 6. You're going to tell me what the difference there is, right? Something we're missing there. And what else do you know from this line plot? So you could tell me how many kids have lost 3 teeth. You could tell me how many kids are in the class altogether. You could tell me how many kids have lost 7 teeth. How many more kids lost 6 teeth than 8 teeth? There's lots of information you could tell me there. Okay. Now stretch your thinking. It asks you to look at this line plot. How many children are in the class? So to find the number of kids in the class, you're going to have to count up all these X's. Okay. And then it says write 2 things that you know. So again, you can tell me how many kids read 3 books, how many kids read 7 books, how many more kids read 5 books than 1 book. There's lots of different information there you can share with me.